Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix Xbox controller is not working on NBA 2K25 on Steam. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first step, what I suggest you to do here is to, if you're using multiple controllers, maybe if you're using more peripherals like steering wheels, VRs, or something like that, just disable them all because it can conflict with each other. So what I suggest you to do here is to just leave the controller that you're willing to play, NBA 2K25, and look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, what I suggest to do here is when your controller is connected, is to go on Steam on the top left, go to settings, then this window will open up, go to controller, and then look for, as you can see here, it should be somewhere a Xbox enable Steam input for Xbox controllers. Make sure guide button focuses Steam is enabled. Also Xbox controller thing is enabled here. If you don't use PS4, PS5 controller, just disable this. And then make sure idle gamepad shutdown timeout and also is disabled as well. It's on never because on default it's on 15 minutes. So this means after 15 minutes, the controller will shut down automatically, right? Also, we can install this Xbox Extended Feature Support level and look if the problem persists after you restart the game. If the problem still persists, what I suggest you to do here next is to go to NBA 2K25, right click on it, go to properties, go to controller, and then on default it should be use default settings. Just change it to disable Steam input and run the game, look if the problem persists, and then enable Steam input if the disable Steam input is not working, and look if the problem persists or not, and controller is working or not, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.